If it isn't paradise, it's just shy.
Been to Phuket about a dozen times, maybe more. Nothing new to me. I know. Lucky me, right? But this time it was different. I had my new drone. Wee, that thing. So on Phuket, unlike everywhere else in Thailand, it's not as cheap and easy to get around. So thankfully, Gigi rented us a car. We went to a beach along the way to our resort and gave the drone its first flight. Ooh, about time. I mean, before, Gigi and I had our little Dobby drone. Oh, wait, let me get it. This guy. Dobby drone. Zero tech. Crashed it a couple times. That being said, I was really nervous about flying my new DJI drone. My first DJI product, believe it or not. Not sponsored. I'm so nervous.
Loads of plastic all over this beach. Gigi's walking around trying to pick up some.
Woohoo! This bad boy take flight like a champion. I'm absolutely gonna be addicted to this thing.
We're getting out of here. Time to get some grub and have to go pee.
So the next day we drove to a cape. Forget the cape's name. Insert cape name here. Definitely recommend wearing sneakers or boots for hiking. You start out on a paved hill with a nice viewpoint and overlook of everything, but you go down into like a dense trail of grass and shrub and a lot of hills with sand, like really slippery sand. So definitely recommended to have the correct footwear on, not flip-flops.
Yeah, I see the rocks up there too. A bunch of them stacked.
Oh, that's pretty sweet. I have cameras hanging off of me, the Insta360 in my pocket, and then my phone on the tripod, and then my drone ready for flight. Winds are cooking today. Woohoo, man, I'm nervous. Me being new to the DJI drone world, felt like every touch of the joystick was a risk. Even when doing the quick shots, when you're not touching it at all, I felt like I was gonna crash it. Got like one eye going off to the side. You know, give the drone like a good side eye while it's maneuvering around the 1 or 2 trees in the entire area. But it was so worth it. I'm loving this thing. So good. Our last day on our short trip to Phuket, we drove around the island trying to find like a small little hideout beach, and we found this one that cost about 100 baht, or approximately like $3 US. We took a sungtao down, which is kind of like a pickup truck with seats in the back, and it opened up to like this little area of little restaurants and like a restroom and like a nice little viewpoint and really quiet beaches. Really, really nice.
Howdy, cup. Kind of want to get in the water.
It's otherwise known as, wait for it, paradise.
If it isn't paradise, it's just shy.
This is just a little part of Phuket. It's such a big island. There's so many places to go and see. But overall, I was just really pumped to use my drone. What a great place to use it for the first time. Well overdue. I'm well overdue for some drone flying. Oh, that Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. I must be hungry for some donuts, man. Yo, get some donuts. Oh, that crispy, clean footage. Let's go get some more. Dude out.
Beautiful.
My friend just messaged me to play Age of Empires 4.